Hi, my name is Monica. I'm here to share my PTE journey with all of you. So I took like almost 2 weeks coaching, and from the first day, Shweta told me all the strategies, how to go with the exam and what things that I need to focus on and how to prepare in a proper way so that I will be, it will be easier for me to give the exam. So that's how I prepared for 2 weeks. All the things were provided, everything was there, and the center it's pretty nice and clean environment, and it's almost like similar to the exam. So when I went in the exam, I already had given so many mock tests and all the tests that she had given to me. So during the test, I didn't feel any problem. I just felt that it's exactly the same as I was doing in the center. So that was a very plus point for me. And she also helped me in about selecting centers, which center should I go, and which is more organized and which is better. So I followed her advice and I gave my exam on Sunday. And the very next day I got my results, and I was so happy to see that I got 90 in all the bands and all the 4 sections, and overall also I got the 90. So I was just so happy, but I totally owe my success to Shweta and to Ronak, because of them it was possible, because I was not aware of the pattern of PTE. I was not even aware of the exam. It's just because they helped me from the beginning, and they just motivated me that I can easily do it. So that's how I got all these scores. So I'll totally recommend that, just at least if you're thinking about PTE, at least just come to the center, just have a look, just talk to the instructor, just see how it goes for you. And it's the best decision that I think I've made, especially for the PTE exam. And thank you.